Francis is a student. He's doing his internship at JHI Properties. He's vibrant, a person that's full of life. A healthy environment produces a very good student. A very good student in the sense that they are very well balanced academically and socially. We get to mingle with other students from different universities, from different campuses, and from different walks of life. We've got a TV room and we've got a pool area. That's where we get to meet other students, we get to chill together. Yeah, we have parties. Making friendships and relationships is very good at this place. This place is situated in a very welcoming area. I don't really need to go out much. I'm very close to shops. We also have our own canteen downstairs. The gym area we have, so I don't need to go externally to the gym. My university is plus minus 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers away. We have our bus services, which picks us up at the gate and drops us back again. The place is very secure. We have to go through 3 different terminals before you can actually get access to my room. The fact that you feel safe, you can actually produce the best results out of your own studies. This place basically just is able to make you achieve whatever you need to achieve.